Are you interested in health and well-being? Does your dream job include working with people? Then the nursing program is just the right place for you. As a nurse, you will work for the complete well-being of people, families, and other groups. Promoting and maintaining good health, as well as preventing and treating illnesses, will be your main interests. Encounters and interactions are practiced in interactive situations. The studies include anatomy, physiology, and pathology, and combine theoretical studies of health and well-being with practical-orientated workshops, in which you will learn to apply your knowledge in action. Studies in nursing include 7 or 8 work placements in real-life working environments.
I have made many friends in Laurea, my classmates, my tutor friends, and the staffs as well. They've been great.
I would like to specialize in maybe anesthesia.
I would like to specialize in psychiatry or pediatrics.
Develop myself the best I can in the field of surgery and anesthesiology.
Do work abroad, maybe do some volunteer work, and then surgery.
Laurea is a very versatile university, and the teachers are very supportive. We have flexible classes as well as the teachers, and a great environment to learn.
The best thing about studying nursing is the fact that you get to know you work with people, and every day you go out knowing you have a purpose.
Come to Laurea, it's the best school.